authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties: Oregon State, Washington State, Idaho State, and California State. Government officials have issued an alert for Rasputin Equato. He is a 14-year-old Romani male, 5 feet 11 inches, and 132 pounds. He was last seen heading towards the woods near Salem, Oregon, off North Santam Highway at approximately 21:05 hours on October 12. He has yellow skin, red hair, and green eyes. Notable features are freckles on the cheeks and a scar above the left eyebrow. He was last seen in a brown pilot's helmet with goggles, glasses, a bomber jacket, a blue shirt, blue jeans, and red sneakers. There is no known suspect identity, but they were likely two Caucasian males driving a black 1979 Dodge Van Ram with no license plate. They were last seen traveling towards Salem, but have likely headed towards states adjacent to Oregon. If you have any information, please contact local law enforcement or our anonymous tip line shown on screen.